Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited to have you here today, especially because we're making a classic Brazilian Christmas dessert, Rabanada. If you've never tried it, it's like French toast, but extra crispy on the outside and deliciously soft on the inside. It's the perfect treat for any holiday breakfast or dessert table. So grab your ingredients and let's get started. For today's recipe, you'll need a few simple ingredients. 1. French bread loaf, preferably a day old, as it soaks up the egg mixture better for large eggs. 1 cup of milk, half a cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and a pinch of salt. You'll also need vegetable oil for frying, and to coat the rabanada, we'll use extra sugar and cinnamon. These ingredients are easy to find, and you might already have most of them in your kitchen. Now, let's start by preparing the egg mixture. In a large bowl, crack 4 eggs and whisk them together with 1 cup of milk. Add half a cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. To give the rabanadas that wonderful flavor we love, sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Whisk it all together until the mixture is smooth and well combined. This will be the base for dipping the bread. You want to make sure it's well mixed so every slice of bread gets coated evenly. Next, we'll slice our French bread, cut it into thick slices, about 1 to 1.5 centimeters each. I recommend using slightly stale bread for the best texture. Fresh bread can get too soggy when you dip it in the egg mixture, but stale bread holds up perfectly. Once you've cut the bread, you can set the slices aside, ready to be dipped into the egg mixture. Now it's time for the fun part, frying. Heat some vegetable oil in a large pan over medium heat. You want the oil to be hot, but not smoking. To test if it's ready, drop a small piece of bread in. If it sizzles right away, you're good to go. Now, take each slice of bread and dip it into the egg mixture, coating it thoroughly on both sides. Let the bread soak for just a couple of seconds, but don't let it get too soggy or it'll fall apart while frying. Carefully place the dipped bread into the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Fry each slice for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until golden brown and crispy. The rabanadas should be perfectly crisp on the outside, but soft on the inside. Once they're done, transfer them to a plate lined with paper towels to drain off any excess oil. While the rabanadas are cooling a little, let's prepare the sugar and cinnamon coating. In a small dish, mix about half a cup of sugar with 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. You want enough sugar to generously coat each rabanada, giving it that sweet cinnamon flavor we love. While the rabanadas are still warm, roll them in the cinnamon sugar mixture. Be sure to coat each slice evenly on all sides. This coating is what makes rabanada so irresistible. The crispy edges combined with the sweet cinnamon sugar make the perfect bite. Now, while rabanadas are traditionally served as they are, you can also add your own twist. For extra indulgence, you can drizzle them with honey or condensed milk. This adds a rich,